morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and you can see it's snowing. Yeah. Hey kids, you having fun shoveling the snow? I probably lost 200 calories in 20 minutes. Probably 500 calories. So right now it's 2 p.m. and we got about I don't know, 10 inches to a foot of snow on the ground. It's going to be difficult for parking for next few days at least. Yeah, snowplow coming. NYC sanitation department, thumbs up, working hard, keeping the street clean. Here goes one, in comes another. Wind is gusting pretty high, as you saw in my other video. It's about 30 to 40 miles an hour. And oh boy, it feels brutal once you're walking in it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yo, right now it's 6:30 and I'm out the house. I got the shovel with me. I'm gonna go clean my car. So the snow just stopped a couple of hours ago, and this is the best time to clean your car because snow is still soft. If you wait for later tonight or till tomorrow, it'll be very difficult for you to dig out the snow because the snow is gonna be really hard. Right now it's still soft, but this is the best time to clean your car. And yeah, I'm gonna go do just that. That's my car here. I don't have that much snow on roof. Or not on the side because the wind blew it away. Not much on the front. Actually, I was here earlier a couple of hours ago. I cleaned the top. So yeah, all I have to do now is dig out this snow from the side. Oh, it's not fun cleaning the snow. That's how you take out your car, like a boss. I took my car out. Yeah, man, this is New York City. No snow can stop us. So yeah, I'm going to pick up my friend, then we're gonna chill, yo. We're gonna chill in this frigid temperature. This sucks, man. You're not gonna believe what happened. I just got a sign for low tire pressure. Low tire pressure, front right wheel. Man, what a day to get a low tire pressure. I got run flat tire. I don't really have to worry about it. I could still drive like 60 miles an hour for about 50-60 miles. But I don't want to take no risk in the snow. So I'm just gonna go put some air, all right? Pulling into the gas station, look at the pile of snow. I gotta get some air for my tire.
Right there.
Look at the pile of snow. Here. Oh man, I need some air, but that truck over there is blocking.
Go put it right there.
Maybe I could go on the side. Come on, my dude. Yeah, this is what I gotta do in 10-degree weather, man. My tire didn't find any other day to leak, but today. See, this machine froze. I hope it's gonna work. 1, 2, and 3. 75 cents. Let's see. I'm gonna put it to 34. Now I can't even find where is the thing. Oh, found it. Found it right here. I can't even see how. I hope it wasn't a leak. Usually you should have 34 psi, 32, 34 psi. Well, had only 16. So yeah, I put right now it's back at 34 psi. I hope I didn't get it flat. Still a lot of snow on the ground. I'm putting my BMW Intellizen all-wheel drive into test. It's handling pretty well. This is New York for you. You see the scooter guy? He's drifting. Scooter drifting went wrong.
You're still drifting.
last year. So yeah, we're just driving around and right now we're in Tiger Heights. What a night it has been, man. We're just chilling like a villain. So it's beautiful out here. There's some snow on the street. They did plow the streets, but still some leftover on the ground. But yeah, I'm having a blast. I have few people with me, but they don't want to be photographed, so that's fine. I'll let them have their privacy. I've been driving around for about half an hour now, but this is the worst block. They didn't clean the snow. They didn't plow the street over here. Snow is literally brushing the bottom of the car. Look. Ooh, it's looking beautiful in the snow. Look out, it's beautiful. Alright guys, I'm back at the gas station again. Yeah, so my tire is probably flat because I put in here like 3 hours earlier and it's gone to 0 now, so 0 psi. Sign came back up. That means I got a flat. I'm putting in some more air pressure. I just tried to go to a few tire shop around me, but everybody's closed. It's past 10 and it's freezing out here. So probably tomorrow I'll hope to get it fixed. Bad night continues. First I get flat. Now I've been looking for parking, but I couldn't really find any parking. So I found this. This is the parking, but this is the snow I gotta clean first. See, that's the car, and the snow is pushed on the side by the snow plow. So I gotta clean that and then park. Struggle of owning a car in New York City during winter season. This is what you have to go through, man. Oh, it sucks. Finally managed to park my car there, and this is all the snow that I had to dig out. It was a bit difficult, but I managed. It ended up a crazy day. It was snow, a lot of snow, and then I got my tire flat. I put in some air, and then same problem. I got flat again, and didn't find any good parking. I had to dig the snow out of the way to get a parking. Alright, so such is life sometimes. Thank you for tuning in today. I was supposed to go drifting, but I didn't, and I'm definitely going this weekend, probably Saturday or Sunday. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. Alright guys, stay safe, drive safe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Here I go for my first drift.
Come on.
By the way, I usually shoot my videos with Canon 80D. So this entire video that you just saw, it was shot on my Galaxy S8. So yeah, if the quality isn't as good, you know why.